Hi friends, this is Ilangovan again. So in this video I plan to give you how you can prepare for the TCS NQT 2020, how to crack TCS NQT 2020. So a simple preparation strategy, what are all topics we have to consider, which are all topics we can prepare, all those things I'm planning to explain in this video. So in my previous video, I've informed you that the pattern which is given by TCS NQT, which was available in the TCS website, and now I'm just did a small analysis based on the previous TCS NQT, and I have discussed with some of the authorities, and this may be the syllabus almost if you concentrate on all these things, and this may be the preparation strategy. So as far as verbal ability, we know that it is 24 questions and 30 minutes. 24 questions and 30 minutes is the time allocated is 30 minutes. We have to solve 24 questions. So what are all the topics? So I have given the topics here. The fill in the blanks types will come in grammar. So these four are the major thing from the parts of speech you have to concentrate: preposition, conjunctions, tenses, articles, vocabulary. So all these things we have to concentrate, and sentence completion. So some sentence will be there and you are supposed to complete the sentence by the given options. So you have to select which option is better. And sentence ordering. So it is nothing but a part of sentence. A sentence will be split into different parts and it will be given in a jumbled order. You are supposed to order it, right? Then passage ordering. Same way, sentence ordering and passage ordering. So here it is in one sentence, here it is in one passage. Different sentences will be there. You have to order it. So it may be in a drag and drop method. So that is how TCS is planning, right? Then sentence arrangements based on the concepts. You have to arrange your sentence. Meaningful sentences, reading comprehension, error identification. So a part of the sentence will be error. So you have to identify the correct, there is wrong answer, wrong option. Error correction can be done. Best expresses synonym is a new thing which is added into NQT, and spellings, synonyms, word selection, all these things may be the syllabus for the verbal ability part. So the cutoff mark they have planned is, out of 24 questions you have to get 22 questions correct. So what is this cutoff? In the previous video I didn't say there is no cutoff, something like that. So this, as far as the final year campus hiring people is concerned, they may get a sectional cutoff. So this is not by the NQT. NQT will give you the score, that's it. But the score which is to be considered for you to get into the campus hiring. So the shortlisting will happen based on this as far as TCS is concerned. Then the next part is reasoning ability. So there are going to be 30 questions, so which has to be solved in 50 minutes. So in this, these are the possible topics in which we can concentrate: meaningful word correction, number series, missing number single and missing number analogy, blood relations, coding decoding, kind of a word and a numeral will be coded and you are supposed to decode it. So that sort of questions. Ages, problems on ages, data sufficiency problems, rank based logic, ages based data sufficiency problems, seating arrangements, then odd man out in numbers and logic, distance and directions, statement and conclusion. Some statements will be given and two statements will be given. Based on that you have to come to four options of conclusions will be given, whether 1 and 2 are right, 2 and 3 are correct, something like that. So statements and conclusion, analogy, it may be a picture analogy or kind of series analogy, lot of analogy problems are there. Mathematical operational arrangements. So instead of plus you have to take minus, instead of dollar you have to go for division, all those things will be there. So that is mathematical operational arrangement. Symbols and notations, so all these things. Cutoff is 22 out of 30. So everything is an input, so it is not an authenticated informations. So this is what we expect based on the expectation. This is what you have to expect. If you prepare for this, then surely you can get into TCS in another 1 or 2 months. The process will get over, so you will be inside TCS. Numerical ability, there will be 26 questions, 40 minutes is the time allocated. So the topics you have to concentrate are speed, time and distance, permutation and combination, boards and streams, equations, linear equation, quadratic equation, simple interest, compound interest, mixtures and allegations, profit and loss, time and work, divisibility, data interpretation, LCM, HCF, prime products, geometry, probability, all those things. So these are the major topics we have to concentrate, right? So cutoff may be 21 out of 26. As far as the subject NQT is concerned, so in my previous video I told that, so in the previous NQTs they have concentrated only on C programming as far as the programming logic, that is 10 questions, 15 minutes. So that is nothing but they have concentrated only C programming language in earlier years. This year they have planned to have questions in C, C++ and Java. So you have to concentrate on C, C++ and Java. I don't think Python is included here. As far as TCS is concerned, they are concentrating on C, C++, Java. So this is the information I have received. Basics of C, these are the topics you have to concentrate on. Basics of C, data types, input output things, functions and scope of the variables and other things, inbuilt libraries, kind of hash include, header files, all those things, variables and registers, command line programming. You would have heard about command line argument, how to use the command line arguments, how to do the programming using command line arguments, how the flow of program can be changed by using command line arguments, all those things. Pointers, call by reference, call by value, iterations is nothing but all kind of loops will come in. Recursive functions, recursive functions, and object oriented programming concepts. What is the difference between procedural and object oriented programming concept? Classes and objects, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, virtualization, constructors and destructors, polymorphism, all those things. 7 questions should be right out of 10 questions. And data structures, advanced data structures, stacks, queues, linked list, singly linked list, doubly, circular linked list, trees, binary tree, graph, searching, sorting, hashing. And as far as advanced data structures is concerned, AVL trees, B trees, gradient dynamic programming, NAPSCAP, all those things we have to concentrate. So that is all up to this today. As far as the students are concerned, please concentrate on all these things at a first hand, and all the remaining topics also you have to concentrate. So to my knowledge, if you could able to concentrate on all these topics, then I'm sure you will be getting to TCS. Everybody is having the capability. Only thing is interest towards it, preparation towards it, the attitude towards whatever we are doing. If that is there, surely we can win over. All the best, students. I hope everybody will take it in the right spirit and prepare well. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.